Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas with canned sauce. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 12 corn or flour tortillas, 1 large can of enchilada sauce, 2 cups of shredded cheese, and your preferred protein like cooked ground beef or shredded chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare your filling by cooking any raw ingredients. Now, let's get to assembling. Lightly warm your tortillas in the microwave or a dry skillet for about 15 seconds each. This prevents them from cracking. Dip each tortilla completely into the canned enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, place about 1/4 cup of your prepared filling down the center of each tortilla. Roll them up tightly. Once all your enchiladas are rolled, arrange them seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. If you have any leftover canned enchilada sauce, pour it evenly over the top of the rolled tortillas. You can also sprinkle an additional 1/2 cup of shredded cheese over everything for extra deliciousness. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the sauce is bubbly and the cheese is melted. To finish, garnish your hot enchiladas with your favorite toppings. Fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado are all fantastic choices. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fillings, like black beans and corn, or various cheeses to find your perfect combination. For more great tips and deals, including a link to an amazing e-reader for all your reading adventures, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious homemade enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.